Right now, when the market is bleeding and everything is down by 20 to 50% in the past week alone for some of the biggest coins in here, I wanted to cover real quick what coins I think are going to make the biggest comeback. Bitcoin is going to go back to like 100,000 and above. We will reach new all-time highs. And some coins like Bobo, for example, down here, are easily going to go back to the original 10, 20, $50 million gains per day, where we reached like 100 million and plus. And I wanted to show 5 coins real quick that I think have the highest potential. Obviously, all of these have potential. Once base takes over, bread on base, this is going to go to multiple billions, even though it sits at 300 mil. Pudgy Penguins might be down by like, I think 90% since the launch, because everybody got the coins for free, right? Repeated P at 5 cents per token. Now it's done 90%. Besides those big coins, here are 5 that I will get into personally. One of them is A16Z. One of the agents that Virtuals used and created, or that was created by Virtuals, was AI16Z over here. And that just for the volume market above over 2 billion, down 90% since. This is going to make a comeback for sure. If you want a lower risk and higher market cap coin, this is going to go at least a 10x from here, if not more. This is one of the safer bets, I would say. You know, from the safer bets, let's move into the not so safe bets for low level coins, for things that are worth only a few million that can easily get influenced by a single whale buying or selling. Coins that are even listed on exchanges yet, besides some dexes. First, we get Edwin over here, but you can also get Jupiter, just like A16Z. Down quite a bit. But for it, not just DeFi, but DeFi mixed with AI, being one of those narratives that grows more and more every single week, this is going to go well for sure. If you haven't looked into DeFi with AI behind it, you see everything is down, just like the market, but easy time to buy, pick them up, and then get all the gains over time, as we're going to recover from here. And Edwin is something that falls into the category that you might like as well. Next up, we have Leia. For Leia, I'm not sure if this one is the official account, might be a different one. It's the first video AI agent that can be integrated and used on various different sites. Doesn't have to be just a coin that is linked to it, but something that is actually useful that different sites and companies are going to make use of over time. But I didn't find the official Twitter account, but you can simply search for Leia and you should find it also on Jupiter. Next up, we have MTART, MindHub AI. An agent, an AI, but it's trained on Solana, that plays Minecraft autonomously. Seems kind of weird, but that's what it does. It is streaming live, I think, the entire time. It's live on Kick, and it's something that we haven't seen before when it comes to games. For example, we could make, instead of MindTart AI, we could have Leech Tart, or TFT Tart, or Velo Tart for Valorant, right? All those different games can have their own AI that is being trained and streams live in order to become the best in there. Always see they will get banned, but we get the idea behind it. Cool idea for a token, fairly undervalued, and it's holding up pretty well, actually. It went up quite a lot until mid of February, and since then, down a little bit, but not too bad, not too bad. There's one of the ones that is actually holding up that you might like. Market cap of less than $1 million. One of those low cap coins that once the community is even more formed, and this goes viral on TikTok and other socials, easy 100x in here. And then lastly, for the coins, we got Colin over here. Colin is the first Holomus AI Swarm. I've seen a couple. There was like Swarm Network and some similar ones. But in this case, Colin, it's one token, one mission with 25 different agents, which is also part of the meme coin and AI agent category, which grows more over time. And if one single agent is useful, then that price is going to go a lot higher than it is right now. So if you check the market cap of less than 5 mil, undervalued gem, obviously went down quite a bit, especially in the last couple of days, because, you know, markets is doing its market things, but we can see a clear trend of dropping down, going back up, dropping down new support levels. And we just reached support down here again. So right now would be a good time to get exposed to it, especially once Bitcoin goes back to all-time highs and we have it over here at like 90,000 or more. Easy money, get into it. Obviously, it's not financial advice, but something to keep in mind. I'll share some more videos and coins and passive income options fairly soon, and let's hope the market recovers quickly. And until next time, bye guys.